Welcome dear students, how are all of you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English class grade 3. Today the date is 5th June 2021 and the day is Saturday. Unit 5 message in bottle, lecture 5. Learning objective is understanding about text. And here is a exercise which is taken from your unit 5 of book, textbook. Okay, let's start. Foolish means not clever. Stupidity. Wondered means thought about. Strange, surprising. Scampered means ran quickly and lightly. Address means the detail of the place where someone lives. Deep means far into the space of something. Nearly means almost or very close to. These are the words, simple English. And next question is, all the following sentences have grammatical mistakes. Try to find the mistakes and rewrite the sentences correctly. Okay, in these sentences there are grammatical mistakes. You have to find out and then you have to correct it and rewrite the sentences. Okay, I'll guide you in this matter. First one is, the children did not went to school, and the grammatical mistake is went. Why? Because wherever in any sentence we use did, it means first form of verb will be used. Okay, so the correct answer is, the children did not go to school. Old Babu helped the children to reading the letter, and the grammatical mistake in this sentence is reading, and the correct answer is to read. Okay, whenever after to, it means after to you just use first form of the verb. You can't use any other kind of verb, any other form of verb. With to you just use first verb. Okay, the correct answer is, old Babu helped the children to read the letter. Hassan have not seen the letter before. See. Okay ji, Hassan has not seen, because have used with the plural noun and has used with the singular noun. Hassan is a single, so that's why we use here Hassan has not. Okay ji, where you were, asked Afia, and the answer is, where were you, asked Afia. Okay, it was friendly is not it. You have to be careful whenever you attempt this question, because a lot of grammatical mistakes and you have to find out and then rewrite. It was friendly is not it. You can see it was, and next will be was not it. Okay? Okay ji, it was friendly was not it. New Zealand is beautiful, no. New Zealand is beautiful is not it, is the correct answer. He did not found the letter in a bag, and again with the did you cannot use second form of verb. You have to use here first form of verb. He did not find the letter in a bag. Okay ji, let's move toward our homework. Learn and solve the statements on book. You have to learn and then you have to solve this exercise on your book. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.